What is a cell? The basic unit of life. Understanding cells is understanding life itself. Every living thing on Earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale, is made of cells. But what exactly is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life. It's the building block of all organisms. Think of it like a tiny factory that performs all the functions needed to keep something alive. There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are simple. They have no nucleus. Bacteria are prokaryotes. Eukaryotic cells are more complex. They have a nucleus that stores DNA. Animals, plants, and fungi are all made of eukaryotic cells. Every cell has three essential parts. First, the cell membrane, a protective barrier that controls what enters and exits. Second, the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance where chemical reactions happen. Third, genetic material, DNA that contains instructions for everything the cell does. Some cells also have specialized structures. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall and chloroplasts for photosynthesis. Animal cells have mitochondria that produce energy. Cells can work alone, like bacteria, or together in groups. Your body contains trillions of cells working as a team. Muscle cells, nerve cells, blood cells, each with a specific job. Understanding cells is understanding life itself, because no matter how complex an organism is, it all starts with a single cell. Thank you for watching Inside Biology Channel. I see you next video. This channel exists to explore the science behind the headlines, calmly, critically, and without exaggeration. This was just the beginning. Thank you for watching.